My name is Gary Liebenberg. I run a business called iDube Cold Storage. The biggest challenge that we have is reducing and maintaining our electricity costs at manageable levels. SolarSaver have come along, and the contract that we have with SolarSaver gives us a very, very good cost per kilowatt rate. The first solar company installed solar panels on the north-facing side and said that it was not worth putting solar panels on the south-facing face of our building. SolarSaver came along and said that's a load of rubbish, and they were very happy to have a look and put their panel system on the south-facing side, and we find that we generate just as much electricity off the south side as we do on the north-facing side. SolarSaver have taught us that we can harness the energy from the sun at very little cost, very consistently and with very little effort.